Hello, in this video I want to show you how to change the language on Samsung Galaxy Book. And to do this, first we'll need to click on a start and then go for that gear icon, open a settings. Now we want to select time and a language, then there's language settings right here. You'll be able to download language packages with this plus button, so here choose whichever language you like, and when it's downloaded you will need to set your Windows display language here, pick whichever one you've downloaded, then go for administrative language settings, change system locale, and here pick the same language. Also in the formats you should change the format language right here. After that, restart your PC, laptop, and your language will be changed. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.